Armored Dragon 2, 240 watts. It's a charging line, 4-in-1. And this video is going to be a little bit longer because I got to open it. But I peeked, and so as we open it, let's look at this. It is 240 watts. Make sure you get the M fish. I got a different brand, and this one I love it because of course, the 4-in-1, but this is even better. It comes with a case. Awesome. M fish. You can find it with that green zipper in the bottom of your black bag. And of course, I got my signature color, pink, for all us girlies. And then these are always a little hard. There you go. There you go. Love it. It fits in here. Pack it up. You've got the silicone like zip tie. You can use that if you got more than one cable, so you could use it. But put it back in. There we go. M-fish. Armored Dragon. Get yours while you can. Like I said, I like this one because I like things nice, neat, and tidy. And this is nice, neat, and tidy. This particular one is a few feet. I don't remember how many feet it is. It's just a couple. Plenty. Fast charging. And so let's see. There we go. And see, I like because the end I just plugged into an adapter is a USB. It doesn't come with a cube for the ports, but so it has, this is the one for my iPhone. This would be the one for my particular model of iPad. I don't know what Android uses because I don't use Android, but then you have this here, right there, and then you got a USB here. So this is what you get here. And then these, and several feet of cord. Bundle it all up. Put it back in here. And you're good to go. Get yours while you can. You know where to find it.